Hey, if you are wondering how we can turn on noise cancellation or, for example, transparency mode on the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro when you are connected with your PC, let me quickly show you. So first of all, you will have to input your earbuds inside your ears, and on the left and on the right one you can find touch sensor just right here. And all you have to do, you have to just click and hold it until you will hear sound. It will take around 2 seconds or even 3 seconds to hold it until you will hear that announce sound and you will hear the difference. So that's basically it. It works the same for the left and the right one. You don't have to hold both earbuds at the same time, just one of the earbuds, but be sure that you input them inside your ears, because when you remove them, you will just turn them off. There's like automatic wear detection, and once you actually take them out of your ears, it's not gonna work. So you have to just keep them inside your ears. Now just click and hold for a few seconds and it will change mode.